If you want to make a video with just images, this is the way to do it. You gotta open your app, your iMovie app, and then once it's open, we're gonna tap on the plus sign right here, and then tap on movie, and now it's gonna read your files, and it's gonna show them like this. So now we're gonna go back to media, and we're gonna select photos only, and then I'm just gonna pick a few. Just gonna pick this one, this one, this one, and this one. And then once you have your photos selected, we're gonna tap on create movie, and then you'll see something like this. So if you don't like this transition right here, you can just make it regular or with no transition, and it's gonna create a jumped, and this is how it looks. And then you can do the same thing with every single image if you want to. And also there's one more thing. As you can see, the image has a movement, so you're gonna tap on it if you want to cancel that movement, and then you're gonna tap with 2 fingers at the same time, and then make it smaller, and then go to the other arrow or the beginning of the image, and then tap with 2 fingers again, make it smaller, and then it won't move anymore. So that's one thing that you can do, and also you can have movement, whatever you like better. And let's say that you want to add music, so you're gonna tap on the plus sign, and then you're gonna go to audio, and you're gonna have different options right here. You can use the music from iMovie, which I recommend, because if you want to upload your video into YouTube, you can do it with no copyright strikes, and it's gonna be safe. You can also use the sound effects, and also you can if you want the video for yourself, you can just go to your own music and select any song and just add it to your video. And this is the sound right here, the green line. So but let's say that you also want to add some voiceover. I'm just gonna delete this file. Then I'm just gonna tap on the plus sign, go back, and then go back again, sorry. And then you're gonna find this option right here which says voiceover. And as you can see, you're gonna see these tools right here, this bar, and it's detecting the sound. So you have 2 options, cancel or record. In this case, I'm just gonna tap record, and you're gonna have a countdown, and then you're gonna start recording. Let's say that I'm done with my voice, and you're gonna see these 4 options right here. You can tap on cancel, retake, review, or accept. In this case, I'm just gonna tap on cancel. But if you wanna see a video with voiceover, with music and just images, I'm just gonna leave that video at the end of this video. Thanks for your time, and if you wanna support this channel, I'm gonna leave some links in the description.